Hi all. Till then, we have added and create the project annotation. So today we're going to add some more annotation inside that fashion world underscore RV and that fashion world .cds and DB file, series and DB file. So we're going to start with like today. If you see here, we have added this annotation. We're going to add that search selection field. So for that, uh, we are going to add some annotation field inside that. So you can start with the like inside that fashion item. So you can copy this. I'm just copy this again. Okay, and I'm going to paste it here. And I'm going to write here only that we are going to selection, right? And create the field, selection fields. And the selection field, what is that things we have to put here? So we are going to removing this, and at the place of this, we are going with fashion type underscore ID. The second name should be item name, item name. Fourth should be brand. Fifth should be size, and the last one should be price. Remove these things. So we have added. Let me go open, open the terminal here and try to run that. So it is given that mismatch identifier here. So to match the identifier, let me add one. Okay, now it is matched again. We are going to populate. If I'm going to check this, you are fine that field should be there. This loading. Saying that development is time. First, I'm going to deploy this. I click here on to deploy this, and then after I'm going to mind and watch this preview. Okay, to start this one here, click on run, click on view, click on command prompt, post preview, 4004. Go to fashion type. Once it is opening, you will find a list inside that. It's loading. Currently, it is loading and local database. So till then, it is loading. We are going to see. We are going to see different. We're going to add different annotation inside that. Okay. So first, we are going to start with like inside that only our annotation. So here we're going to add um, some annotation inside this file. Okay, I'm going to copy this. Let's see preview. It's taking time. Annotation from fashion world. We are going to add inside that fashion SRV underscore SRV folder. So we will add entity section. Like we will add inside the entity section the title and all those things inside that. Also, we are going to add that in title for a fashion item, and apart from that, we are going to add inside that entity fashion type and fashion. So here we are going. You can see that entities where it is entities annotated fashion. So going add inside that entity section. You can see here. So inside that, going to add the right title, and you have to enter colon, and then again you have to add section, like what is the title section. I'm going with section ID. Okay, underscore ID. So these are the things we can add inside that annotation to make this beautiful. So this is how we're going to add the entity section. We're going to add entity. Okay, similarly we can add it in the same other entities you can see here. So we have added this. Okay, so there is one error. We have this error now. Okay, now we're going to bind this again. I'm going to bind this again and launch this phase again to see. This time I will check inside the entity saying that artifact app dot version dot section has not been found in entities. Uh, it shows a fashion world dot section. So what we have that added here. So if I go with small cases, is this working? So now it is working. Okay. So if I press return, it will run that port. So to see that port, go to view, port review, and then again you have to run this. I'm waiting to search like why it is taking time to load the data inside this application. So if you see that data inside that, you can see here, but I need to show you in a Fiori preview. So we can wait for that. It is loading in that fashion item where we have added. It may take time. Let's see how much time it takes to add. As we have added this inside that fashion world, now we're going to add fashion world dot series now entities. So now we have to add it inside that fashion world as under SRV. So we are going to add some information like this information inside that, and then we will find we will see again that application we have created inside the system. Okay, so once we add these um, add this annotation inside that application, so we will see the things. So for you I have already created some stuff, so I'm just told you like uh, here we are going to change that this fashion item is going, like I'm going to change the fashion item with UI. You can add inside that uh, like label for fashion type or section like that. So we will add that. Okay, so only that we are going to add here. So where you can just maintain that reset $UI dot collection first ID should be one, and the fashion label should be fashion detail. I'm showing you this is ID. Okay, call one and then end with comma. Similarly, you can copy and create the another one. Like you can just copy and paste with another facet information. So I'm just going to show you like after adding, we have lots of errors, so we are going to minimize this error first. So once we add this from edit with facet type version, well, there is no error inside that. We have error starting from here. So if we remove the present type, yeah, data is okay on the value. So be okay fashion type ID. That's a fine. Where is then is giving issue. So we have checked this. expecting colon instead of colon. So what is this now? Then these, I don't know. I'm going to add close now. This and this is fine. This is fine. Oh, where's the error now? I think here we have to miss like we need to add the line item or something. Annotation. I have added all those things. Go to format selection and it went into format. Now there is no error inside the application. Okay. So if I'm going to terminate from here and I can find this and run this profile. Okay, no issue. End them and run again at 404. Okay. So I have added few parameters, but it is taking time to load. So in the next video, we will see this uh, annotation and we'll add uh, OData services. Okay, like to enable the OData services inside this. Thank you for watching this.